Hi Abhinav, this is your last dad from the heavens. Many happy returns of the day, my son. You had just turned 22, and I want to be your guiding light right now. Exactly now. Hit the road first to Pune to meet Mr. Pratap at the below address. He was my best friend, and he holds my gift for you that worth $1 billion. At this juncture, I'm sure you'd be standing on the crossroads of your life, struggling to make your choices that would turn right for you. Let me guide you the right path. In fact, I gave you my dreams, my passion, my purpose, the music. I would like you to live my dreams. Take up guitar, and I just want you to be a rock star. I want to relieve my son. Abhi.